Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're starting on the real work now. Open the highest resolution image and duplicate the background so you never lose detail. Use the lasso or pen tool to tightly select the shine on the glasses. Feather the selection 8 to 20 pixels to blend later. Once selected, press Ctrl or CMD plus J to copy that selection to its own layer. This isolates the glare so you can adjust only the shiny area without affecting skin tones or lenses. Now neutralize the bright specks. Choose Content-Aware Fill for quick reconstruction, or use the clone stamp when details need manual control. Sample adjacent lens texture with the patch tool to retain reflections and grain. You want realism, not flatness. Once the highlights are reconstructed, reduce layer opacity and add a layer mask. Paint with a soft, low-opacity brush to reveal tiny reflections selectively. This preserves natural depth while removing the overpowering shine, so the glasses still read as glass. For finishing, create a 50% gray layer set to overlay and use low-opacity dodge and burn to restore subtle highlights and shadow on the lens. This brings back curvature without shine. If clarity is needed, make a merged copy and apply high pass around 1 to 2 pixels, set to overlay or soft light. If something looks artificial, make sure to refeather the mask, sample more nearby lens texture, and adjust opacity. These small fixes solve common.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.